Hello, this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and the video you're about to watch is my 5-year-old niece putting together the September paper pumpkin kit, which is the Halloween boxes. It's very cute. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
My name's Lyla, and I'm doing these
Paper
pumpkins.
Yay, and we're recording.
I have the same background than you.
All right, let's show them your other pumpkin or your other art. Wow. Are you making lots of hands?
Watch what I'm doing.
Wow, that is kind of cool. Lyla, look at that. You're stacking them. I didn't even think about doing a stack.
I did that.
Yeah, but yours is better.
Do you want me to make one like yours?
You can do whatever you want, dear.
Sorry to reach in front of you, Lyla.
Okay.
So, which one do you like the best?
Both of these.
Well, you gotta show the camera because they can't see. Look at that. Are you gonna make those treat boxes for your class?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to make these boxes for my class.
Cool.
Let's see.
I'm gonna just put the ink.
I'm going to take yours, and I'm going to copy one of yours, but I'm going to put yours for my class.
Okay. Whatever you want to do. You want a new box? Do you need a new box?
I have a new box.
Yeah, one. Does Mommy want to do another one?
I'm still in the works,
All
I
right.
think, with this one.
What are you putting on there, kiddo? Oh, did you put snail and you put? Oh, look at that. That's awesome.
And then let's see.
Do you like making stuff like this, Lyla?
Take a plain one. Yes.
Yes. I think you make cards with Grandma, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. You know how to stamp and you know how to do lots of stuff, huh?
I'm gonna cut the corners.
You know how to
off.
snail.
She's
Yeah.
pretty good at it too, huh?
Mhm.
You're just gonna do your own thing, huh?
Yep.
Cool. Now what? So,
Which one says Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween is this one. So you see how you can see it from that side through the block?
Yeah. It
That's how
goes
you do
this
that.
way.
Yep. And then there's your ink.
Ah.
Yep. Let's put your what you want to stamp on.
So it goes this
Here.
way.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Is this what you want to do? Do you want it this way or do you want it this way?
I want it this way because I'm gonna
Okay.
put something
And
else
then
on it.
tap, 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 tap on the top. Don't rock it. Oops. All right. Now you can kind of look through the top.
I know how to do it.
There you go. You got it. Don't rock it. Just straight down. Okay, up. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, now I'm going to take my skull.
There they go. Right there. All right.
Grandma, do you want to see what I did on my next box?
Oh my God, I love that, Lyla.
This is Aunt Noreen's.
Is this for
perfect.
Aunt Noreen's candy?
She did another one with
Nice.
Where's the one with all the hands where she
Yeah,
layered
that
it?
one.
Right here.
Look
Oh,
Where
You
she
should put-
stacked them.
Yeah, you need to put that on a thing, but we need
Not
to
on that.
put that
You don't
on
wanna
a
put it
really
on top of
good.
your thing.
No, it is. It's supposed to go there. I put like Mom's. Mom has a hand on it.
I
No.
know, I understand. You really want it on top of your web?
Yeah, look what
sorry.
Mom did. She put it on top of the web.
Here, let's put some more glue on there for you, kiddo.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm putting it on the.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I was on this.
Yeah, you were doing
Yep,
it
you were on
differently.
that one.
Sorry.
There you go. Wow.
Do you have any pens that I can use?
A pen to write something on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What color?
Like any color you want to bring
Are
me.
you ready to put names on them? Is that what you're doing?
I'm going to put my name on this one, but I'm gonna put like only on the whatever. If I'm doing this, I'm gonna have to put a name on it.
Okay, there you go.
Have a school, Mary.
Good.
And then how do you spell your name?
I feel bad covering that with that.
That's a great
but
L.
I don't want to put it on the
L.
fourth side.
Yeah.
Hey. Good girl. Good
So
girl.
cute.
Are you using a paper clip?
Well,
Okay, I won't tell Mary.
that's what I was thinking.
I won't tell Mary. That's for her. Yeah, we'll hide it. Now, what are you, Lyla? What else are you gonna make?
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to make this box for someone special.
Oh, like who?
Perfect.
Mm.
Just have to wait and see.
All right. Now, if you do that, you gotta put them on.
a long one.
Yeah. You can stamp them on the front, on the purple part.
Yeah.
If you stamp it, you'd have to use the white side, or if you use the light purple, you can use the ink.
No, I'm
On-
using this.
You're gonna cut that off again. You like cutting that off.
Have the same background.
You're gonna do skeleton.
Let me see here.
You got this skeleton and that one over there. There are two of them. Which one?
If you would be so kind as to stamp a skeleton on here, I would like to make a 3-dimensional skeleton.
You go ahead.
Okay.
Alright.
Are you gonna ink that?
Watch what I'm gonna do.
You gotta ink it first.
Watch what I'm gonna do though.
Okay. I'm watching.
So is the camera.
You got to get the whole ink on the whole thing, remember? Tap, 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 tap. It's better when you put the ink on the ground, though.
She's just seen Grandma and Mom do it that way too many times. Did you get
All right.
the other foot?
Get his foot. Oh, almost. All the way down. You got to go that way. There you go.
There you
Oh,
go.
don't rock it.
Don't rock. You
Yeah,
get
let's-
ink everywhere.
Yeah, let's clean the rocking part. Because you get the block, so we'll just wipe that off. That's easy.
There you go.
All right, were you going to stamp that? Don't rock it. Push and up, straight up. It sticks. Oh, that looks good.
Good
Look
job.
at that. Look at how good
That's-
a 5-year-old did.
But
See?
what?
Look at that.
Wow.
Let me have my skeleton.
Oops, sorry.
And watch what I'm gonna do.
What are you going to do?
Gluing thing.
You're going to do what? And you're gonna snail that? Good girl.
Just watch what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be
I'm
something
watching.
cool on this one.
Watch.
Oh, you're gonna line that up. Wow, I don't think you could have cut that any better. Look at that. That was
And watch what I'm
perfect.
gonna do too.
Okay.
What will fit in a small area?
Oh yeah, that's not
And
gonna happen
I'm gonna
today.
do that.
Which one? Oh, yeah, we'll do that too.
Look how
Finish
many
this
we
one.
have though. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So many. Is it exciting? Do you want to just say goodbye for now?
No. I
You
want
want
to keep
to-
doing this.
You wanted me to still keep recording?
Yeah.
Just
Well,
say
I think-
bye. We'll be back later.
We'll be back later. How about that? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Did you like doing this?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Is it simple?
Yeah.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Is it exciting?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Say bye-bye.
Say thanks
Bye.
for watching.
Thanks for watching. Now